ACCUPLACER Healthcare Program Writing Practice. Question 1. A study plan assigns 27 review questions per day for 6 days, but 10 are skipped. How many questions are completed? Option A, 162. Option B, 152. Option C, 23. Option D, 432. The correct answer is option B, 152. The completed total is found by multiplying the daily amount by the number of days and subtracting the skipped questions, so the result is 152. The incorrect choices ignore the skipped questions, add unlike quantities, or multiply by the wrong total. Question 2. Multiply 3/4 by 3 to estimate the total number of practice sets completed in repeated sessions for review set 50. Option A, 15/4. Option B, 3/4. Option C, 9/4. Option D, 3/2. The correct answer is option C, 9/4. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number multiplies the numerator while keeping the denominator, which gives 9/4 after simplification. The distractors add the whole number, multiply both numerator and denominator, or change only part of the fraction incorrectly. Question 3. Divide 47.4 hours of review equally across 4 sessions. How many hours should each session contain? Option A, 51.4. Option B, 189.6. Option C, 9.48. Option D, 11.85. The correct answer is option D, 11.85. Equal sharing requires division of the total hours by the number of sessions, giving 11.85 hours. The distractors add, multiply, divide by the wrong number, or inflate the quotient. Question 4. A timed drill rises from 60 completed items to 64. What is the percent increase to the nearest tenth? Option A, 6.7%. Option B, 106.7%. Option C, -6.2%. Option D, 4%. The correct answer is option A, 6.7%. Percent increase uses the change divided by the original value, then multiplied by 100, giving 6.7%. The incorrect answers use the new value as the comparison base, report only the raw change, or treat total percent as percent increase. Question 5. If one skill station should serve 5 candidates and 180 candidates attend, how many stations are needed before rounding up for logistics for review set 50? Option A, 185. Option B, 36. Option C, 175. Option D, 0.03. The correct answer is option B, 36. The number of equal stations before rounding is the total candidates divided by candidates per station, giving 36. The other options add or subtract instead of forming a rate, invert the division, or round when the question asks before rounding. Question 6. Using 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, convert 3 inches to centimeters? Option A, 5.54. Option B, 1.18. Option C, 7.62. Option D, 76.2. The correct answer is option C, 7.62. The conversion from inches to centimeters multiplies by 2.54, so 3 inches equals 7.62 centimeters. The distractors add the factor, divide by it, or shift the decimal place. Question 7. Simplify 5x plus 3x when x equals 3 in a combined like terms problem. Option A, 11. Option B, 18. Option C, 25. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option D, 24. Like terms are combined first to make 8x, then x equals 3 gives 24. The distractors add the variable as a separate number, multiply coefficients incorrectly, or forget one part of the expression. Question 8. A candidate has 100 questions to review, has finished 35, and splits the rest evenly over 9 days. How many per day? Option A, 7.22. Option B, 11.11. Option C, 3.89. Option D, 74. The correct answer is option A, 7.22. First subtract completed work from the total, then divide the remaining questions by the number of days, giving 7.22. The other choices divide the wrong amount or add days instead of distributing the workload. Question 9. Calculate the range for the completion times 9, 18, 12, and 14 minutes for review set 50. Option A, 13.2. Option B, 9. Option C, 13. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option B, 9. The range is the maximum minus the minimum, so 18 to 9 equals 9. The other choices are the mean, median, maximum, or minimum rather than the spread. Question 10. A question bank has 21 items, and 6 are flagged as difficult. What is the probability of randomly choosing an unflagged item? Option A, 2/7. Option B, 7/2. Option C, 5/7. Option D, 5/2. The correct answer is option C, 5/7. Unflagged items are found by subtracting flagged items from the total, then dividing by the total, so the probability is 5/7. The other answers use the flagged probability, invert the relationship, or use the wrong denominator. Question 11. A table includes points 0, 5, and 4, 5. What is the slope of this horizontal relationship for review set 50? Option A, 5. Option B, 4. Option C, 1.25. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option D, 0. A horizontal line has no change in y, so the slope is 0. The other values use coordinates as if they were slope or assume a downward trend that is not shown. Question 12. Find the area of a rectangular study table that is 10 feet long and 4 feet wide. Option A, 40. Option B, 28. Option C, 14. Option D, 80. The correct answer is option A, 40. Area of a rectangle is length times width, so 10 times 4 equals 40 square feet. The other choices calculate perimeter, add dimensions, double the area, or subtract dimensions. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Clinical students often improve faster when they connect math skills to realistic patient care situations. For review set 50. Option A, testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B, applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. Option C, only memorization matters in health programs. Option D, long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The advisor recommended a math refresher before the applicant retested. For review set 50. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word ambiguous most nearly mean for review set 50? Option A, proven by exact data. Option B, written with perfect grammar. Option C, arranged in time order. Option D, open to more than one meaning. The correct answer is option D, open to more than one meaning. The word ambiguous is used in academic contexts to mean open to more than one meaning. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely defines a technical term before using it in a paragraph for review set 50? Option A, to make the later explanation easier to understand. Option B, to distract readers from the main claim. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A, to make the later explanation easier to understand. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Math placement often affects course sequencing, and health programs may require strong quantitative readiness. For review set 50. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 50. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 50. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses Standard English correctly for review set 50. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 50. Option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions. For review set 50. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hepatitis most likely mean for review set 50? Option A, inflammation of the heart. Option B, removal of the kidney. Option C, study of blood. Option D, inflammation of the liver. The correct answer is option D, inflammation of the liver. The word parts in hepatitis point to inflammation of the liver. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 50. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A claim is supported by repeated measurements from several trials. What makes the claim stronger for review set 50? Option A, a louder presentation. Option B, consistent evidence across trials. Option C, a larger font on the chart. Option D, a personal preference. The correct answer is option B, consistent evidence across trials. Reliable conclusions depend on consistent evidence gathered through repeated trials. Presentation style or preference does not strengthen scientific support without data.